I'm Matt McGee, Customer Success Manager, and I'm going to show you how to set up your outdoor shower. What we have here is a Van Essential pack, and what that's going to do is give you a privacy screen. I'm going to show you how to set that up, and then I'm going to show you how to adjust your temperature and control and put your shower head on the door. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the privacy screen first. I have two of these, and essentially what they do is block out the seams on these doors. So I'm going to put up one just so you see how that works. It's just all magnet based. You can use the logo as your guide that's the bottom. And you just put it up here. And what you've done is created a block in the side. And you do one for the other side too. Okay, now we're going to put up the main screen for your privacy shower. And this goes on top so you can put your shampoos and things in there. And it has a magnet on top. And so we're gonna just put that up here just like the other one on the side. Reach across, and now I have a privacy shade for my shower. Now that we have the privacy screen and know how to put that up, let's talk about using the shower in the back. First things first, you gotta turn on the water pump. If you have one of our hot water heaters, turn it on roughly close to 120 degrees. Leave it on for 15 minutes before you have your shower, and you're gonna have hot water for your whole shower. Next, you grab this little adapter we give you. You can place it on the window, turn it down, and it'll lock in the suction. And then I can pull out my shower head, and when I'm ready to be hands-free, I can just have it, place it in there. There's an on-off here, and there's also an on-off here. This one, when I open it up, it'll pull out, and then you can adjust your temperature control. Now that I've adjusted my temperature to where I want, I can obviously hose off bikes, dogs, whatever I want to do, but also for my shower, I can just go and set it up into place, and I'm showering. Now that I'm done with my shower, I'm going to push in to turn it off here at the spigot. And then just for safety, in case for winterization, I'm gonna turn this on and just let gravity take the rest of the water out of it and kind of dangle it at the bottom. Then I'm gonna turn it off and push everything back in to place it back in its hole. And that's how you get to use an outdoor shower out in the wild, nice and clean. Thank you for watching this owner resource video. There's certainly others for pro tips for you to get the most out of your van.